Hey, I don't know how many of you have ever swapped out a compression ring. Like you can see here, these are the supply stops for the kitchen sink in the trailer. And as you can see, they're old. So we're going to replace them with this nifty little tool I just learned about. This little clip here. This is a disconnect clip for compression pack. So let's just move this guy here. Make sure you can see. So you want to take this flat side, this semicircle, and you're just going to clip it right on the pipe. Now the idea is that we just pull it down. We take our piece fingers, and I need to put a little bit of extra torque on the back side, and we're just going to squeeze this thing down. And I like to give it a little spin. Oh. And anyways, we're just, she's coming. Oops. Just reposition that. Give it another squeeze down on the clip. Hard for my fingers. Just gonna turn it around. Press the back a bit. Come on. There. Oh, that was like exercise. Okay. I'll always be quickly ready to move out of the way. So I have a new supply stop. I just have to insert whatever that thing is called and make sure that it's closed. And because these were already cut and working, I'm just going to take a moment and clean up the debris on the end. And then we are going to, and then it's a big push up. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Now if we want to put an outdoor shower on our little trailer, we can. Okay. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.